Good afternoon to all. Good afternoon. I welcome you here. Today we will see about lesson 2 book back questions. We will see lesson 2 book back questions. First of all, everybody take your book. Everybody take your book. Page number 26. Everybody take your book. Page number 26. Many questions are here. Did you find the answer? Did you find this all answer? No. Okay. Now you mark the answer fast, children. Mark the answer fast. First one, tick the correct option. Look at the slide. Look at the answer is in the slide. Okay? The answer is on the slide. Now, which of the following is an element? Which of the following is an element? Sand, water, oxygen, seawater. What is the answer? Oxygen. What is the answer? Oxygen. Write fast, write fast. Then which of the second question, which of the following is a compound? Which of the following is a compound? Hydrogen, water, sodium, magnesium. Which of the following is a compound? Water. Answer is B. Mark fast. The next question. Distillation is used to. Distillation is used to separate dirt from ice. B. Separate tea leaves from tea. Next, separate sand and water. Next, get distilled water from impure water. Get distilled water from impure water. So here, which is the answer? Get distilled water from impure water. So, answer D. Next, which of the following is a heterogeneous mixture? Look at our book. Fourth question. Look at fourth question. You must read with me. Which of the following is a heterogeneous mixture? Which of the following is a heterogeneous mixture? Milk, water and oil, sugar solution, tap water. Which of the following is a heterogeneous mixture? Water and oil. So, answer is B. The next, which one of the following statement? Which one of the following statement is not a characteristic of a mixture? You read this. Read fast. Which one of the following statement is not a characteristic of a mixture? Four answer is given. They have variable composition. They can be separated into pure substances by physical methods. They have different properties depending on their composition. They are made up of only one type of substance. So which one of the following statement is not a characteristic of a mixture? They are made up of only one type of substance. Answer D. Did you mark, children? Did you mark the answer? Okay, children, study them. Okay. Now, okay, children. Now, fill in the blanks. It is in page number 27. Everybody take. First question. The process of removing small stones from rice is called dash. The process of removing small stones from rice is called hand picking. Hand picking. H-A N-D, hand. Picking, P-I-C-K-I-N-G. Without mistake. You should write without mistake. Write fast. Write fast, children. Okay, now second question. Pure substance is made up of only dash type of matter. Only one type of matter. O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. Come to the third question. Homogeneous mixture has dash composition. Homogeneous mixture has same composition. Same composition. S-A-M-E, same. Then come to fourth. The process of getting salt from sea water. The process of getting salt from sea water is called dash, evaporation. E-V-A-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. E-V-A-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N, evaporation. The next, come to fifth question. Removing the upper liquid from the sediments by pouring it out is called dash, decantation. Decantation. D-E-C-A-N-T-A-T-I-O-N. D-E-C-A-N-T-A-T-I-O-N. Decantation. Then sixth question. Dash is the process of separating fine solid particles from liquid by speeding up the sedimentation. Centrifugation. Centrifugation. C-E-N-T-R-I-F-U-G-A-T-I-O-N. Again, C-E-N-T-R-I-F-U-G-A-T-I-O-N. Centrifugation. After seventh question. Dash and dash are two main types of chromatography. Liquid and gas. Liquid, L-I-Q-U-I-D, liquid. Gas, G-A-S. Gas, G-A-S. Write fast, write fast. Are you writing? Write fast. Hand is paining. No. Hand should not be paining. Okay, now eighth question. A dash is a paper which has very fine pores in it. Filter paper. Filter paper. F-I-L-T-E-R-P-A-P-E-R. Filter paper. Filter paper. The next, the solid particles that settle down in the process of sedimentation are called sediments. S-E-D-I-M-E-N-T-S, sediments. 10th question. Matter is broadly classified into dash and dash, pure substances and mixture. Pure substances, P-U-R-E, pure substances, S-U-B-S-T-A-N-C-E-S, substances, and mixtures, M-I-X-T-U-R-E-S, M-I-X-T-U-R-E-S, mixtures. Next children, we will see write true or false for each statement. Okay, look at this. Write true or false for each statement. First question. Pure substances have fixed composition. Is it true or false? True. Answer is true. 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 Somebody write TURE. That is wrong. We should write TRUE. TRUE. Second question. An element can be broken down into smaller substances by physical methods. An element can be broken down into smaller substances by physical methods. What is the answer? An element can be broken down into smaller substances called by physical methods. Answer is false. Okay, in the true I am giving true. That is not true. Element cannot be broken down by any methods. Yes. So answer is false. FA. That PPT is wrong. Second answer, you change that. FALSE. False. The next question. Mixture is made up of only one type of substance. Mixture is made up of more than one or two or more substances. So this is false. FALSE. The next. The constituents of a homogeneous mixture can be seen by naked eye. The constituents cannot be seen by naked eye, but here can be seen by naked eye. Here is given can be seen by naked eye. So this is wrong. So what is the answer? False. FALSE. Then fifth question. Come to the fifth question. You should write full. Okay, full word. TRU. Whether it is true, you should write TRUE. Whether it is false, FALSE. Okay. Are you listening me? The next fifth question. Heterogeneous mixtures have varying composition. Heterogeneous mixture have varying composition. Already you have studied. Heterogeneous mixture have different composition. So the sentence is correct. So what is the answer? True. 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 Next, sixth question. Sieving can be used to separate a mixture if the size of the components are same. That is false. 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 Seventh question. Winnowing is used to remove husk from wheat grains. Winnowing is used to remove husk from wheat grains. So that is true. Next, layers of sand can be used as filter. Layers of sand can be used as filter. This is correct. So that is true. Then ninth question. Cream is removed from milk by sedimentation. Cream is removed from milk by sedimentation. False. 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 Come to the 10th question. That is the last question in the true or false. Distillation can be used to separate a mixture of salt and sugar. Distillation can be used to separate a mixture of salt and sugar. False. Can you read this all question, children? I am reading now, yes? So if you listen, it is very easy to read. Okay, the next, what is there? Match the following. We will see. Okay, look at match the following. Question, I am giving only answer. The number I am giving the answer as a number. First question, to separate cream from milk. Centrifugation. So that is 1. Next, to separate pebbles and stones from sand. To separate pebbles and stones from sand. Sieving. Third question, dirt and dust are separated from rice. Sedimentation and decantation. Fourth question, to separate salt from sea water. To separate salt from sea water. Evaporation. Then fifth question, to separate tea leaves from tea. To separate tea leaves from tea. That is filtration. Got it? Okay. Then next, define the following. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Look at this. Define the following. What is the first question? Element. What is the first question? Element. Define element. Now, listen, answer is there. Look at the answer and write fast. Write neatly, children. You are using pen. So write neatly. You should not use Pelican. Okay, so write carefully. Element. E-L-E-M-E-N-T. Take your classwork and write this all. Take your class. Define the following. You write it in your classwork note. Okay, children. So you take your classwork fast. Okay. An element is a substance which cannot be broken down by any physical or chemical method. An element is a substance which cannot be broken down by any physical or chemical method. Chemical, after you give some space in between chemical and method. Are you listening? Okay. Write fast, children. Write fast. You must write neat. You should not write bad. Okay, don't scribble. Okay, the next question. Listen here, children. Next, compound. What is that? Compound. This is second question. You write the heading first. Compound. Now write answer. A compound is defined as a pure substance. A compound is defined as pure substance which cannot be broken down. Compound is defined as pure substance which cannot, it is not cannot, sorry children, which can be broken down. That mistake is there. Which can be broken down. It is not cannot. It is can, which can be broken down by any, which can be broken down into simpler substances. Into, you write what I am saying. You write, yes, compound is defined as a pure substance which can be broken down into simpler substances called elements by chemical methods. Okay, sorry, because answer is wrong. Okay, now Now that question, pure substance. That question, pure substance. That question is pure substance. So here, a pure substance is made, M-A-D-E, made up of only one type of matter. A pure substance is made up of only one type of matter. A pure substance is made up of only one type of matter. Are you writing, children? What are you doing? Writing. Okay, write fast. Okay, we will see the next one. Now, what define distillation? Define distillation. What is the answer? Process of separating liquid from mixture. Process of separating liquid from mixture by evaporation followed by condensation. A process of separating liquid from mixture by evaporation followed by condensation. Condensation, C-O-N-D-E-N-S-A-T-I-O-N, condensation. Liquid, L-I-Q-U-I-D. You study the spelling also. Study all those questions, study all the questions. Okay, children. Condensation, C-O-N-D-E-N-S-A-T-I-O-N, condensation, full stop. Keep full stop. Okay, children. The next question. Fractional distillation. Define fractional distillation. A method to separate a mixture of two or more miscible liquids having different boiling points. A method to separate a mixture of two or more miscible liquids having different boiling points. Write fast, children. Write fast. Are you writing? Write fast. Now read with me. A method. Define fractional distillation. What is the answer? A method to separate a mixture of two or more miscible liquids having different boiling points. Okay. Now define filtrate. Now you write define. You write this question. Define filtrate. Write fast. What is the answer? The liquid we get after the filtration process. The liquid we get after the filtration process. We get liquid after the filtration process. That is filtrate. Right, for filtration spelling, study the spelling. F-I-L-T-R-A-T-I-O-N. To read this answer, the liquid we get after the filtration process. After the filtration process. Okay, we will see the next question. Now define sediments. Define sediments. Here the solid particles that settle down in the process of sedimentation. The solid particles that settle down in the process of sedimentation. that is sediments. This is sediments. Write fast, children. Define sediments: the solid particles that settle down in the process of sedimentation. Okay, we will see the next question. Now we will see about mixture. Define mixture. That is 8th question. That mixtures are defined as the substances which are made up of two or more pure substances. Mixtures are defined as the substances. Mixtures are defined as that substances which are made up of two or more pure substances. Right, fast, children. You read with me. Mixtures are defined as the substances which are made up of two or more pure substances. Then we will see the next question. Now we will see the next question. It is question number 9. Paper chromatography. Paper chromatography. Now what is paper chromatography? Paper chromatography is a type of liquid chromatography. Paper chromatography is a type of liquid chromatography. Liquid chromatography. CHRO. Chromatography. CHRO. MATOGRAPHY. Liquid chromatography. Then we will see the next question. Now we see about sieving. Define sieving. 10th question. This method is used only if the components of a mixture are of different sizes. This method is used only if the components of a mixture are of different sizes. Components. 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 Okay, children. Now we will see answer the following. We will write answer the following. Take page number 28. Questions are there. Answer the following. First question. Differentiate the following questions. Differentiate the following questions. First one, pure substance and mixture. You put the column. You put two column. So pure substance and mixture. One column pure substance, another one column you write on that mixture. That is heading. Now pure substance, it is made up of one type of matter. It is made up of one type of matter. Mixture, it is made up of two or more pure substances. Here in the PPT the sentences are collapsed, so you write it is made up of two or more pure substances. Okay, children, only one difference is enough. Then next, now second question, element and compound. Differentiate element and compound. Now here, element, it cannot be broken down by any physical or chemical methods. It cannot be broken down. It cannot be broken down by any physical or chemical methods. Compound can be broken down into simpler substance called elements by chemical method. Write fast, children. Put 2 column and write that. Okay, children. The remaining question we will see in the next video. Thank you all.